All right, so here we got our 2017 Can-Am Defender HD10. We're gonna do a bed rack review for the nice bed rack that Can-Am makes. So it clips right here into the bed rail with this that comes with it, a little LINQ tool. I really like how it keeps stuff up out of the bed. You got room to stack stuff on top. You can add Can-Am bags, or you can make your own box out of a toolbox that would mount to it. It actually comes with a mount here where you would put it up underneath, and then you can screw in the screws that it comes with, and then you can put any kind of LINQ accessory here on this bed rack. Then there's a different one that you can get that goes in that way, and then it has rivets that you would rivet it on. There is 8 different hole configurations on the rack, but it only comes with 4 of these. So you have to buy another set of 4. You can buy another set like this, or you can buy another set like this. I also like that even though it's on the bed rail, you still have extra bed rail LINQ mounts where you can still mount something along the side of the bed rail. So if you look at it there, you can see that it clears the rack if you were to have a rake or a shovel or an axe mounted on the bed of the Defender. Here's the different mounts that you can get for it. It does have a couple of screws and pieces that they want you to screw into the bed. There's a little notch right here, so you would screw it into the bed, and then it would clip in before it actually mounts down into the bed. I haven't put those on. It seems to ride fine and be secure without that. But overall, I really like the way the bed rack mounts. I like that you can store stuff on top of it.